Hello everyone, today's recipe is a delicious classic Arabian dessert called Ali. Let's start. To make Ali, we will need 12 mini croissants or 6 large ones. You can use any puff pastry you like. I am using croissants. We will also need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, some flaked almonds, some cashew nuts, some chopped pistachios, some golden raisins, some desiccated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, sugar if needed, vanilla extract or essence, and milk. Now let's start preparing the dessert. Firstly, we will start by toasting the cashew nuts. Add these to a hot pan. And now we are gonna lightly toast these. The cashew nuts are lightly toasted. Let's take these out on a plate. Next, we will toast the desiccated coconut. Now we are going to toast this till it turns a nice rosy brown. The coconut is nicely toasted now. See, this is what we want. It has taken on such a beautiful color. Now let's take it out on a plate. Now to a saucepan, we will add 1 liter of milk. Let's bring this up to a boil, stirring continuously. The milk has started to boil now. Next, we will add the condensed milk. Now stirring continuously, we are going to bring this up to a boil. Make sure the milk does not stick to the bottom of the pan. The milk has come up to a boil. Let's taste it and see if it needs any sugar. No, the sweetness is just right. Now we are going to turn off the flame and we will add the cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. If you are using vanilla extract, then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it nicely and set it aside, and let's start assembling the dessert. Now in a casserole dish, we are gonna break up the croissants in chunks and arrange them evenly. Cram them in nicely. Don't leave any space, because once we add the milk, the croissants will soak it all up and settle down. That's done. Now over this we will sprinkle some toasted desiccated coconut and the dry fruit. You can add as much as you like. You know, this is a classic Arabian dessert and just delicious. It's soft, milky, nutty. Oh, I just can't describe how delicious and mouth-watering this dessert is. Now lastly, we are going to sprinkle the pistachios. Look how beautiful it's looking already. Now that's done. Now it's time to ladle the hot milk over all of this. Now we are gonna place this in a preheated oven on 160 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes till there is a crispy layer on top. Our dessert has been baking for 15 minutes now. It's ready to take it out and serve. Well, there you have it, a classic Arabian dessert, Ali. This dessert can be enjoyed hot or cold, but traditionally it is served hot. If you like the recipe, please comment, like, share and subscribe. Please do make it at home, enjoy it with your family, friends and your loved ones. Until we meet again with another delicious recipe, this is Iram wishing you all a safe and fabulous day.